Welcome back, savvy viewers, to our finance-focused YouTube channel. Today, we're delving into the world of passive income streams, where financial freedom becomes more than just a dream. If you're tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind and yearn for a life with more flexibility and independence, stay tuned as we explore how to create passive income online. Let's get started. 1. Dividend investing. Our first passive income stream is dividend investing, a tried and true strategy for building wealth over time. By investing in dividend, paying stocks, you become a shareholder in companies that share a portion of their profits with their investors. As these dividends accumulate, you can reinvest them or enjoy a steady stream of passive income. Remember, it's essential to conduct thorough research and choose reputable companies with a history of consistent dividends. 2. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate has long been a popular investment vehicle, but not everyone has the capital or desire to manage physical properties. Enter real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul enable you to invest in real estate projects alongside other investors. From residential developments to commercial properties, you can diversify your portfolio and earn passive income through rental income and property appreciation. 3. High yield savings accounts. For a low risk and easily accessible passive income option, consider high yield savings accounts. While the returns might not be as high as other investments, these accounts offer competitive interest rates that outperform traditional savings accounts. Your money continues to grow without active effort, making it an excellent place to park your emergency fund or short-term savings. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending, is a unique way to earn passive income by acting as a virtual lender. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect borrowers with individual lenders, offering a win-win scenario. You earn interest on the loans you fund, and borrowers gain access to funding with potentially lower interest rates than traditional banks. Keep in mind that P2P lending carries some risk, so diversify your investments across multiple loans. 5. Create and sell digital products. If you have a talent for creating digital products like e-books, templates, or online courses, you can turn your expertise into passive income. Set up an online store through platforms like Gumroad or Sendowal and let the automation handle the sales process. As customers purchase your products, you'll receive passive income without the need for continuous hands. On involvement. 6. High-quality YouTube videos. Building on the previous video's topic, YouTube can be an exceptional source of passive income if you create high-quality, evergreen content. Unlike traditional ads, evergreen videos continue to generate views and ad revenue over time, even as your channel grows. By focusing on finance-related topics with broad appeal, you can attract a steady stream of viewers and monetize your YouTube channel. 7. Automated online businesses. Embrace the power of automation by creating an online business that generates passive income. This might include dropshipping, where suppliers handle fulfillment, or affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services and earn commissions on sales. By setting up efficient systems and outsourcing tasks when possible, you can run your online business with minimal day-to-day involvement. 8. Licensing your content. If you're a talented content creator, consider licensing your work to others for a passive income stream. This applies not only to photographers and videographers, but also to musicians, designers, and writers. Stock image websites, music licensing platforms, and content marketplaces are excellent places to showcase your work and earn royalties from its use. 9. Mobile apps and software. The digital age offers numerous opportunities to create and sell mobile apps or software. whether it's a game, productivity tool, or niche. Specific software. These products can generate passive income through app sales, subscriptions, or in-app purchases. Keep in mind that app development might require upfront investment, but with a successful app, the returns can be significant. 10. Royalties from creative works. Finally, let your creativity shine by earning royalties from creative works like books, music, or art. Self-publishing a book through platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allows you to earn passive income from book sales. Similarly, musicians can release their music on platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and other streaming services to earn royalties based on the number of plays. There you have it, an array of passive income streams that can pave the way to financial freedom. Remember, diversification is key to reducing risk and maximizing your potential returns. As with any investment, it's essential to do your research and align your passive income streams with your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future finance-related content. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, take care and happy earning.